Today at the Vermont Institute of Natural Science, we just got in a baby gosling, which is a baby Canada goose, which is a nest of 4 robins, and they're begging for food right now. They have recently been fed, but they're hungry all the time. We feed them every half hour. We're here at the Vermont Institute of Natural Science in Quechee, Vermont, where on the side of his body that we need to keep cleaning and debriding, basically removing the dead tissue, so that hopefully it'll heal up nicely. He's doing pretty well otherwise. We have a baby rock dove. The bird was found under a bridge in a nest.
Mergans are ducklings. These little ducklings came in.
This is the runt. He's the smallest one by far, but he's still pretty huge. And I'm just going to feed them now. And these wrens were accidentally transported in a truck. The second northern harrier, who is definitely the bigger of the two. He weighs almost twice what the other one weighs. In this enclosure at the Vermont Institute of Natural Science, we have a fledgling.
I'm Kayla, and I am an intern here at VINS. And I have with me a clutch of 10 northern flickers. We actually
Vermont Institute of Natural Science in Quechee, Vermont. I am feeding a juvenile.